There are numerous beaches in each country for its citizens to visit, let alone the number of beaches in the entire world. But only a very few of them stand out as being unique. It might have to do with their natural composition or the historic history behind them. Regardless of what makes them special, many are considered to be top tourist destinations through the summer season for a very particular reason. Today, we will explore the top 12 most unique beaches around the world. But before we get started, click that red subscribe button and turn on that bell icon so that you never miss any of our videos. Number 12. PAPAKOLEA Green Sand Beach. Located near South Point, in the Causeway district of Hawaii. It is one of the only 4 green sand beaches in the entire world, also referred to as Bahama Beach. It recently gained quite a lot of attention from people all around the world for its unique colored sand. The beach gets its name from the green grassy crystals, olivine, that make up most of the sand on this beach. Olivine is locally known as Hawaiian diamond, and is denser and tougher than the ash fragments that make up most of the other beaches on the island. Though despite all the glamour, the route to get there is still not very smooth. There are at least more than 2 miles of walking, hiking, and climbing down from cliffs, so this destination is best for those seeking a little off-the-path adventure. Number 11. Giant's Causeway Beach. Being a result of an ancient volcanic eruption, this Irish beach is known for its historic and natural beauty. It happens to be at the foot of the basalt cliffs in the Antrim Plateau in Ireland, giving the rare hexagon-patterned surface. According to legend, the columns are the remains of a causeway built by a giant. It has also been named as one of Europe's top 5 beaches and the 4th greatest natural wonder in the United Kingdom. Number 10. Pigs Beach, Bahamas. Imagine going for a swim along the beach and being greeted by lovely pigs looking forward to being your companion. Well, if you fancy that, the Pigs Beach of the Bahamas is the destination you are looking for. There are about 20 feral pigs actually living on the island, which are some of its only living inhabitants. It's not quite known how these visitors arrived here, but there are a few stories you can explore. Some say the pigs were part of a shipwreck and swam ashore. Others say they were left here by sailors who were supposed to return and have a great meal but never came back, while others think it was an attraction set up by the Bohemian government to attract tourists. Whatever the real story, it is an interesting sight to see pigs swimming in the crystal clear blue waters. Number 9. REYNISFJARA Black Sand Beach, Iceland. Iceland is not only famous for being one of the happiest countries on the planet, but it also hosts extraordinary beaches, like the REYNISFJARA Black Sand Beach, located on the southern coast. The unique thing about this beach is that it has black sand and pebbles, and is surrounded by towering basalt column cliffs, lava formations, and caves. It's definitely an unusual appearance for a beach, which makes it stand out from the more common white and brown sand beaches. Number 8. The Beach of the Cathedrals, RIBADEO, Spain. This Spanish beach happens to be one of the best beaches the entire European continent has to offer. It's also known as the Beach of the Holy Waters. Because of its rock formation due to erosion, the incredible caves, and its archaeological structure, it's truly a beach you don't want to miss as a remarkable backdrop sits it apart from the beaches around the world. Number 7. Boulders Beach, Cape Town, South Africa. Though penguins are always thought to be creatures that require extreme cold conditions in order to survive, the reality is quite contrary to that. If you remember from one of our previous beach videos, there is a special breed of penguins that live on the coastal strip in South Africa, and the best chance of seeing these creatures up close and personal is on Boulders Beach. Number 6. Red Sand Beach, RABIDA, Galapagos. Located on a specific island with the name of RABIDA, the red sand beaches of Galapagos are visited by a huge number of visitors every year. Its scenery filled with colorful sand particles and clear waters is definitely eye-catching and unique to say the least. It's also a popular snorkeling spot where you can often catch a glimpse of the Galapagos sea turtles, curious sea lions, and spiny sea urchins too. Number 5. PFEIFFER Purple Sand Beach, Big Sur, California. Speaking of colors, visiting purple-colored beaches is something out of this world. The purple hue comes from manganese garnet deposit that washed down from the hillside above, resulting in the sand adopting the purple color sand. For those who wish to go for pink instead of purple, there is good news, as this Californian beach happens to have pink sand too. Number 4. Unique Glass Beach, Fort Bragg, California. Beaches are mostly considered to be completely nature's doing. However, the unique sand beach in California is not entirely a product of nature. Since humans have been dumping garbage in the oceans for quite some time now, nature converts these garbage materials into smaller particles such as the special glass that is found at this beach. While the brightly covered pebbles dance at your feet under the glimmering sun rays, it's sadly illegal to take away glass from this beach. Number 3. Pink Sand Beach, Harbour Island, Bahamas. Harbour Island in the Bahamas hosts the most aesthetic beaches out there, where the color pink meets crystal clear waters that shine a beautiful aqua blue. According to Budget Travel, the light pink sand gets its hue from thousands of broken coral pieces, shells, and calcium carbonate materials left by foraminifera, which are tiny marine creatures with red and pink shells that live in the coral reefs that surround the beach. In order to get to the beach, however, visitors need to take a boat ride as there isn't any road connecting Harbour Island to main islands. But once you arrive, you'll see why this beach should be left pristine and untouched. Number 2. Bowling Ball Beach, California. Another one from the coastal state of California. Bowling Ball Beach has incredibly mysterious round rocks that are a bit larger than regular bowling balls. These spherical sandstone concretions are best seen at low tide, when the water recedes and the beach in fact looks like it's littered in bowling ball shaped rocks. The beach is also just part of the larger Schooner Gulch State Beach, so pack your walking shoes to check out the incredible views from the cliffs along the South Trail. Number 1. Hot Water Beach, the Coromandel, New Zealand. Around 100 kilometers away from Auckland, the Hot Water Beach in New Zealand has waters that gets up to 64 degrees Celsius or about 147 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, that's hot. Visitors usually dig up bathtub-sized holes and take a relaxing bath in the thermal water being provided for free. The only catch is that this beach can only be visited when the tides are low, because otherwise, the springs that provide the hot water will be underwater. Well, what did you guys think? Hit like if you enjoyed this video and comment below on your favorite unique beach. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming travel adventure. With that, I'll see you in the next video.